Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve October-November paper, which is year 2021, and the component code we selected is 03. All right. So we already done with the data analysis. Now, in today's video, we are going to solve website authoring, the last task of this paper. Okay. So now, let me start with the task of database task of the web authoring. All right. So now this is the task three, which is a web page. You are going to create a web page and style to promote the recycling plastic wastage. Okay. So now the web page and the style must work in any browser. All right. So now create a folder called plastic. All right. So now we will start with the question number 18. Create a folder called plastic. So now to do this, we will go to our support file folder, right click, and then go to new, create a new folder and name it as a plastic. All right. So done. So next question. Locate the following files and store them in your plastic folder. Banner, beach, bottle, plastic, CSS, okay, plastic.jpg. Okay, all these files we need to locate and put. So we start with banner first, video file, bottles, except student Excel file. You need to put all the files in your support file folder. All right, so this is done. Now next. Okay, create. Uh, this is all we need to do. Yeah. Is there anything else? Nothing. Okay. Now create in your plastic folder a web page called plastic.htm. Okay. To do this, I'm going to use my web application, which is Microsoft Web Expression. All right. So done. So now let me close all the files. Now go to new file, HTML file. Okay. So now we need to create a new file. So click on save. All right, and go to your support file folder, which is on our desktop. So where is October, November? Yeah, 2021. And where is the plastic? Yeah, plastic here. And the name which they gave us, plastic.htm. Plastic, plastic.htm. All right, and then click on save. Done. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, so let me go to the question paper here. This web page we created the plastic.htm. This web page must be work in all window browser and have a table structure which fit in 100% of width so of the browser. So now to create such a table, we need to count the first number of rows and columns. So here one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, four rows and one, two, three columns, four rows and three columns. So now let us create a table first. Create on table, insert table. Okay, four rows and three column, and the specific width is 100%. All right, and then is it center aligned? Let me check here. Identify the letters, some dimension. Table should be center aligned. Did they mention here anything? No, they did not mention. All right, so we will keep it as alignment default and then press OK. All right. So now this is done. Now let us do the setup of this table. So first row is completely merged. So let me select the entire row, right click, modify and merge. Next, B is OK. C to bottom is merge. So here from C to bottom, I selected all, right click, modify and merge. Done. Now next, B is there, D is there. Okay, B is also merge. So let me select the B, right click, modify, merge, B, and then D is also merge. D, I selected both the columns, modify and merge. All right. So now let me name it. So A, this is B. Is it the B one? Yeah, no, B is here. They gave us B, and then here I'm going to put C, D, and last is E, A, B, C, D, E, and then F. That's it. Done. Yeah. All right. So now let us put the dimensions. A as a height of 15%. So click on A, right click, cell property, specific height is how much? 15%. Choose percentage here, apply, and then OK. Done. Next is B as a width of 60 and 45. Width is 60 and height is 45. Okay, so I select B, right click, cell property, specific width and specific height, which is 60 and then 45. And it is both are in percentage. Okay, apply and then OK. Done. Now D is 20%, which is only the height. So right click, modify, sorry, right click, cell property, only height, which is 20 in percentage, apply, and then OK. So now next, E has a width of 30 and 20. All right, so right click, cell property, specific width is 30, 30, and specific height is 20, 20 in percentage, apply, and then OK. Next, F is also same. So right click, cell property, specific width and specific height is 30 and then 20. All right. And percentage, apply, and then OK. So done. Each table cell is identified with a letter, which is already done. Some dimensions are shown. They must be set as a percentage. Done. Perfectly fine. Next, not in pixel. Yes, we selected only percentage. Now, next. Now, done. The cell content shown diagram should not be appear. All right. So we need to remove A, B, C, D, and all the letters. Table border must not be appear. Student, important part. So to do this, as I show you in my previous past papers also, click on code, go to table styles, and just simply type what we need to type here. Border, border, border of our table is equals to 0. Okay, make it as a 0 and click on design. So here that border is gone. Next. Now let's go to the question number 19. Place in cells. A, we need to insert the picture as a banner. So where is A? Let me remove A first. Okay, and then click on insert picture from file, and where we need to go? We need to go our support file folder, which is 2021 past paper. All right. Now, first I need to import what? Banner, N21 banner, insert. And alternate text, I'm writing BANNER. Many students were asking me, is it compulsory to put a alternate text? Yes, student, you can put it. That is good for you because in some browsers, pictures or video will not be displayed. So in that case, at least your code will be correct. And plus, instead of picture, some alternative text will be visible. So it's better to keep the alternative text. Press OK. Fine, done. Next, B, place a holder to fill with a width containing the video clip. What is that video clip? N21 beach dot MP4. Display an automated text error based message. So automated, okay, automatically, okay. And then browser does not support this window. All right. So if this is not functioning, then we need to keep it as a browser does not support. Okay. So now to do this, we will go to on where we need to put on B. Okay, so let me go to code. Where is the B here? Okay, so B is here. So one time enter, two time enter, and let me remove the B first. So from here, remove the B and I'm putting a video tag. Okay, now video, I open the parenthesis and then type video. Okay, autoplay. Okay, so autoplay is equal to autoplay and loop. Why loop I am keeping? Because to avoid any kind of error message. Why? They clearly mention fill in the width cell containing the video, and this should be fill in a width cell. So that's why I'm putting width. So you have a doubt, sir? Can we put a inline function also? Yes, style is equal to width 100% you can put, or simply type width is equals to 100% so that it will properly fix in the given cell dimension. Okay, close the parenthesis. You will get a video tag. Just press enter multiple time, and then let me put the source source source. Student, it is better to always follow the step by step method. Do not jump on the shortcut method. You might end up with a errors. So to avoid that, please follow the step which I am showing you in the videos. So source is equal to src is equal to where is my file. It is here. Okay, so now go to plastic, and where is this? Okay, N21 beach, right click, copy the path, and then let me go to the code here. And now next, Control V. Simply press Control V and remove the extra parenthesis so that our video can be visible and seen. Yeah, this is done. And what type of file this is? Click on type. This is our video file, video, video oblique, and this is having a format of MP4. All right, so done. Now next, what you need to do here, you need to close the parenthesis. Done. And then go down to the next step. Yeah, what if, what they said in the question paper, they told us if this video does not support the browser window, we need to show an automated text based error. So that's why I put a automated text based auto play option. So the browser, let me select the browser does not support this video type. I copy it, and here I control V paste it. So now this is done. So this is the message we put, the browser does not support this video, and close the tab. Now let me click on design. Student, as I told you, immediately you need to check whether the video came or not. So click on file, preview browser, click on Internet Explorer and play. Okay. So here we go. Perfect. So yes, we can see the video which is clearly visible, right? Isn't it? So now next, what we need to do here. Okay. So next. C is the image with the N21 bottle dot JPG. Okay, in C we need to put an image. Where is the C here? C is here. Let me remove C and click on insert picture from file and N21 bottle and insert, and this name is a bottle, BOTTEL, bottle, and then press OK. All right. So done. So, all right. So now let's go to the next. Now, what we need to do here, after importing the plastic, E is the image, which is again in E, we have N21 plastic.jpg. Okay. So now let me go to E. Where is it? A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. So now let me remove E here. We will click on insert. Okay, picture from file, and then the name is plastic. Okay, and insert, and it is plastic, plastic as an alternate text. Then press OK. Now next, in F we need to import N21 shore.jpg. So remove the F, click on insert. Again we will go to picture, and it is shore, and select, and then SHORE. Sure. All right. So then press OK. So perfectly fine. So now here, let me have a look. Yeah, we done. Now next, place an inline attribute to the HTML so that each image width is the table properly fit into it. All right. So now I'm maintaining the aspected ratio. So now we need to inline all the images. To do that, we will go to code, and we'll start from the beginning. So from the banner, let me remove the height first. Okay, how to inline here? We need to remove the height, and then we need to remove the width. Okay. Now this image should be style equals to width. Okay. Width is how much? 100%. Let me put percent and done. Now next, what I need to do? Next image. Where is that image? It is here. So bottle. So let me remove the height again, and then we will remove the width. Okay, and this also we need to style is equals to Okay, width, 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 which is 100%. 100%. Done. Now next, again in the plastic, we need to remove again the height here. So let me remove the height and then let me remove the width. Okay, and then I'm making it as a what? STYL style equals to inline width width, which is 100%. All right. Now next, the last one we have. So let me remove the height. We don't need height because we are going to inline this. Now next, remove the width. STYL style is equals to width width. All right, and which is 100%. So done. So let me click on design, and this is perfectly fine. Place in cell D the content of N21 plastic.txt. Okay, to do this, I will let me open the plastic dot. Yep, it is here. So now let me copy the content, okay, of this, and then we will go to our web application and control V. This is what we need to paste it. Next, what we need to do, display this text as a three paragraph and add and the fourth paragraph as a text. Okay, so now let me first copy the fourth paragraph from here. So control C and then last enter control V. Okay, done. So now apply the H2 style to it. Okay, so make it as a 4 paragraph, right? Isn't it? They said us to 3 paragraph and add the fourth paragraph. So let me go here. So now from where to where we have first is from first paragraph for me. This is the line. Okay, and then I will go here, apply the paragraph 1. Okay, and then let me select it, the second line, and this is paragraph 2. And let me select this, and this is my paragraph 3. Okay, here in the question paper, they mention display this text as a 3 paragraph. So all 3 is done. And the fourth paragraph, this is my last. Okay, and this is the fourth paragraph. Done. And to all this, we need to apply which style here? H2 or H3? H2. They're asking us to apply the heading. All right, so done. So now perfectly fine. You can remove the space also, no issues. Okay, so this is how it will be look like this. All right, so now go to file, preview, whatever we done till now. Let me cross check one more time. All right, so here perfectly fine. So now you can see your video and everything is perfectly fit in a window. All right, so now let me go and just fix this so that there is no breakup here. So we don't need breakup. Okay, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, perfectly fine. Yeah, you don't need. So this we don't need the paragraph breakups so that it will remove the gap. And here also we don't need the breakup. So now let me remove the break. All right. So now let me click on design. Now this look perfectly good. Now let's go to the next question. Now attach the style sheet N21 plastic.csv, okay, to this web page. Save your web page. Okay, so now let us, this is the time to attach the style sheet. Click on style sheet link, browse, okay, and this is the plastic N21 and then press OK and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Next, display the HTML source in your web page in your editor. Okay, so now this is the code. All right, so this is a perfect code. Next, take a copy of your HTML source and paste in your evidence file. So student, what you need to do, you need to copy this and control C and paste in your evidence file. Next, display the web page in your browser if necessary, resize it. All pages can be seen, all text can be easily read, and address bar should be visible. So let me take a screenshot. File, preview in my Internet Explorer, or if you have a browser like Chrome, you can do it. So this is your perfect image. So just press Control P so that you can able to take the printout of your page. All right. So if you have printer attached, it will directly show you, and then this is how it would be look like this. So I need to take the screenshot. Next, what I need to do, take an evidence screenshot. That is done. So here we're done with the star students. I hope you really enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.